In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change files into template in Excel. If you've ever built a workbook you want to reuse, like an invoice, a budget, or a project tracker, turning it into a template saves time and keeps things consistent. A template preserves your layout, formulas, styles, and print settings, so every new file starts from the same, clean foundation. Begin with the workbook you want to convert open in Excel. First, go to the File tab. This takes you to the Backstage view, where all the saving and exporting options live. If you're on Windows, you'll see it in the upper left corner of the ribbon. On Mac, it's in the menu bar under File, but the idea is the same. You're heading to the place where you control how the file is saved. Next, choose Save As or Save a Copy. Both options create a new file, leaving your original workbook unchanged. Save As is typically what you'll use for files on your computer. If your file is stored in OneDrive or SharePoint, Save a Copy may appear instead. It's designed to duplicate online files without affecting the version others might be using. Pick a location where you can find the file later, such as your Documents folder or a dedicated Templates folder. Now, in the Save As dialog, change the file type to Excel template. On most systems, that's labeled Excel template with the .xltx extension. This tells Excel to treat the file as a reusable blueprint. If your workbook already includes VBA macros, Excel will also offer a macro-enabled template type, which is required to keep those automations working. Give your template a clear, descriptive name, something that makes sense when you're choosing it from a list, like Project Plan Template or Monthly Budget Template. When you save, Excel may store the template in a special Templates or Custom Office Templates folder. That's helpful, because the next time you create a new workbook, you'll be able to find it easily under your personal templates. As a tip, before you save, consider clearing any sample data while keeping formulas, formatting, and placeholders. That way, every new file starts fresh, without old numbers sneaking in. A quick note on behavior. Opening a template creates a brand new, unsaved workbook based on it. Your template file stays untouched, so you can reuse it again and again. This is ideal for standardizing documents across your team and reducing errors. That's it. Click File, choose Save As or Save a Copy, select Excel template, name it, and save. You've now converted your workbook into a template ready for repeat use.